$500. You save about 1,000 plus.
To work out cheaper for me.
3,000.
215, even more.
Facebook for 200 plus. $400 of savings. Hi guys, so as you all know, now it's MCO 2.0. Can't go out to review cars anymore, so we gotta change with the times a bit. And today in this video I'll be reviewing a pillow. Hey, what's the matter with you? Okay, come, excuse me. So recently I was contacted by a representative of Joey Mattress who asked if I was keen to try out their new pillow. So here I am unboxing. So here it is. This is the box, and what it says here is descriptions. Proudly made in Malaysia. So we have this little card here, welcomes you as you open the box. It says Joey Mattress Airlines. Well, the idea is that, you know, you actually why do we use a boarding pass? Because the airplane is not the best place to sleep. But I suppose the idea is that, you know, it's from awake to asleep, right? So it's like the idea is suppose maybe when you sleep on this part, straight away it's gone out. Alright, so this is the paper wrap here. This the pillow, nothing else there. So my cats or my kids got another box to play with, and here's the pillow wrapped in plastic, and I shall open it up. That's the silica gel. Got to keep this aside before my daughter swallows it. And it's the pillow. So it's very nice, soft, very bouncy too. Boing, boing. And anyways, what I do observe is that there's a contour here. So I think you sleep, right? Well, this is obviously where your head's supposed to go, but I think you sleep with this holding up your neck. At least that's the way how I've been doing it. And with my existing pillow, and yeah, and this is supposed to give you the ultimate neck support. So there's a zipper here that opens up to the foam inside. All right, so all these pores in the foam, I suppose, is for better airing. So this should be a very airy pillow to sleep on. Right. Okay, and what I also like is the material here at the side. It's, you know what, it's like those sofa fabric kind of material on both sides. so it does give the pillow a bit of a premium feel. But let me just double check the box again to see if I tinggal anything or not. So nothing here. I've emptied the box. Pillows out of the box. So I guess next is to sleep on the pillow. Okay, so I've done a few car walkarounds. Well, this is my first pillow walkaround. Right, I've spent a few nights sleeping on this, and now I've learned a few things about this pillow. Now, first let's talk about the shape. Alright, if you notice from the side here, okay, you notice that this is a contour type pillow, okay, where there is that valley there in the middle for you to put your head, okay, and you notice that either side of the valley, the hills are of unequal height. So this side here, this is 12 centimeters tall. This is 10 centimeters tall. Now, which side you want to choose to sleep is entirely up to you. It depends on your body frame. So if you are bigger size, of course you sleep this side. If you're smaller size, you sleep on the smaller side. Of the heels here, of course, is to provide support for your neck. And they've also designed this with side sleepers in mind. So if you like to sleep on your side, then this area here is crucial in providing that extra support for your neck as you lie down. So the cover is made of 68% polyester, 32% of a material called viscose or viscose according to the fact sheet, spelled VISCOSE. So somebody educate me on what it really is. A warning was left to not wash this, not even by hand. This is not meant to be washed. But they did also say that it is treated with dust mite repellent, so you don't have to worry about dust mites making nests on your unwashed pillow cover. But in any case, most of you would probably put a pillowcase over this anyway, or maybe you just want to sun dry it every once in a while. And the materials are also engineered to be hypoallergenic and antimicrobial. So for most people, you don't have to worry about allergy reactions or flare-ups. Now inside this, the EC of the pillow, this is what I'm told, this is 100% Malaysian grade A latex. This is made locally, and you see these pores here really it allows airflow through the pores, and thereby it makes this a very cooling pillow to sleep on during warm nights. And what I also like about this is how soft and bouncy it is, but you know, after every time you squeeze, however hard you squeeze it, it returns back to its original shape. So I've spent the last few nights sleeping on this. If you were to ask me, is it nice? Yes, it is. Is it significantly different from my existing pillow? Not significantly, but it's nice. All right, it's a nice pillow. I wouldn't call it groundbreaking because this contour type pillows, they have been around in the market for some time. All right, but of course the selling point of this pillow really is the material they use, the latex material they use, and the airiness of it. I think that is a very, very good plus point to this pillow. It costs 185 ringgit to buy one of these. I almost wanted to say 185,000 ringgit. Costs 185 ringgit, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. And not only that, okay, unique to Joey Mattress, right, their practice is you can buy their pillow, you can buy their tilam, use it for a 99-day trial, and if after 99 days you're not happy with it, you can just send it back to them. They refund your money to you, no questions asked. Okay, all right, so yeah, so the last few days sleeping in this, quite happy with this. It's a nice pillow, so I don't mind continuing to use this, assuming they don't ask it back from me. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like our content, hope you can hit the like and subscribe buttons. Join us also on Evo Club, where we have services such as insurance renewal, inspection centers, trusted workshops, extended warranty, even a business opportunity to run your own car wash. Sign up at club.evolmalaysia.com today, and I'll see you in the next video.